Today I show you how to replace the batteries in a aircon remote control with a pen. I will explain why you need a pen. So first get the remote, look at the back side for the open sign, press and pull here. That's the remote. And now you take the pen, find the plus side, because if you put your nails here, you might take it out, but maybe no. So put the pen there, get the pen there on the plus side, press, but don't push the, don't put the pointer towards the battery. Keep it parallel so you don't damage the battery. Battery is okay. And the second battery, you can do it like this from below, from here. It just jumps out. Get the new fresh batteries, rechargeable, and make sure you follow. Plus goes here, plus goes here. So we put one plus here and plus on the other side. Ooh, doesn't work. Okay, these are also empty. Could use your fingernails, but you really have to have a bit of fingernails. Or you could use the lid of the remote like this. Just get this corner there. Like that, you can use the lid. Let's try again. Almost dropped it. Okay, I think looks okay. So make sure you set it to cool and put the lid back. And it's ready to use.